My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I love being at home making my YouTubes. I have over 5,000 uploads. I try to give you what you need. These aren't infomercials about myself. I am a national figure in IRS resolution. You can go to my website. I've been on national TV at least 10 times, but all my videos, some of them are there. I don't post them all. Anyway, I was a revenue officer. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I've been practicing for 42 years outside, 10 long years at IRS. So the stuff that I have to offer you, I was the IRS. I'm not I'm not a person who's taking classes and learned from, gee, well, this is what happens sometime. Nah, this is what the way. So anyway, if a local revenue officer has your case, usually they're out for blood, and I'll tell you why. Usually IRS local revenue officers get cases that have not been resolved by the service center. And why that pisses them off is IRS from the beginning, 6 months earlier, whether you received them or not, has sent you a whole series of IRS letters, a whole series. And they sent you a final notice before seizure, certified. They sent you either an LT11 or 1058. You may not know these. But once these letters all go out, IRS, when I got the cases, you had your chance. It's game on right now. What is it you don't understand about getting a bill from IRS? That's the attitude they're going to have. You need someone, as a general rule, to kind of diffuse them. Now, this is an infomercial. Look, I'm really good at what I do. That's why people hire me. But I just want you to know you need to diffuse that attitude that they're going to have because they're pissed off. That case has fallen in their inventory because you've been a slacker. And the first two things they're going to ask for are you current on all your tax returns, and are you currently making estimate payments, or is your withholding up to par? Because IRS has to stop the problem immediately. That's their number one job, is to stop the problem. Now the next thing they have to do is close the case. How are they going to close your case? They're going to ask you for a financial statement. They're going to want documentation with that. And then now they're surgical going out to try to find out where your assets are, and they're not going to leave until they get what they want, either payment in full, a good-sized payment agreement. Some cases do wind up in currently non-collectible. That does happen. Happens probably more than it needs to, but it does happen. But anyway, if you need an advocate to kind of keep the beast back, call me. But just if you're doing this yourself, make sure if they want something at a certain date, you give them that. You pick up the phone, call them, be in constant communication with them. If not, you're going to be at the bad end of a hammer. Give me a subscription. I tell you everything you need and always the truth. Thank you so much.